Hi mates, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add and multiply hyperlinks in a single cell in Google Sheets. So if you want to learn how, just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end, and just know it's not complicated, it's easy and simple. So first, let's say you want to add some text here. Let's say sub for Dr. Niki. Here is his last video, like this. So we wanna add hyperlink to Dr. Niki for his channel and hyperlink for his last video. How to do it? So yeah, check the click on the A1, this cell, and just highlight the Dr. Niki like this, and click here on insert link from here. So now search in YouTube for his channel Dr. Niki like this. Click on his channel and copy the URL from here. Now click again here and pass the link. Apply. Here is how. And when you click on it, as you can see now, we are teleporting to his channel. So also we want to add a hyperlink to his last video. So just let's highlight this last video from here like that, and now click again hyperlink. So where's his last video? Here is his last video. So let's copy the link, the URL and now just click again here, pass the URL here, apply, and now as you can see now we can go on his channel and on his last video, too. It's working. It's 1000% working. That was it. I told you it wasn't complicated. It was easy and simple. So if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video, and who knows, maybe in a few days I'll try to answer. And yeah, see you next video. Bye.